1926 Model T Ford engine repair update. We've got the cylinder head off, the radiator out, we got the exhaust manifold, carburetor, the side cover off. I got one valve spring off. I want to show you what we got here for wear. It's probably a little more than we want. You can see the stem moving back and forth here, and you also see how this is cupped. Right here is all dished out on the lifter, so you can't get an accurate feeler gauge reading there. The cylinder walls look okay. There is quite a bit of side play on the pistons. I mean, they slop around in there a little bit. But I think that'll be okay for now. I'm going to tighten up the rods. Another thing we got here that we fixed previously, and we got that pin in there so that it didn't come out, but this is really shot. They do make an oversized one. I'm going to look into that. Another thing I noticed is these keepers that hold the valve springs in. They're almost wore completely through where the pin goes. I mean, it's this little pin right here sets on top like that, holds the valve in, and it's almost wore through those. So what I think we might be able to get away with is just maybe some new valves, ream the guides out, put oversized valves in. I don't know about those lifters. We may not be able to get a good valve adjustment without replacing them. If I have to do that, I have to pull the camshaft out. So that's where we're at right now. I've probably spent a couple hours on it to get this far, so we'll see how it goes.